Welcome to Science Store online classes.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Dear students, welcome back. Welcome back to biology online classes. So the chapter what we are discussing under CET and NEET is one of the important topic, that is microbes in human welfare. So in the previous class we have discussed two worksheets. In the second worksheet we have completed the section A part. In today's session we will start with the section B and we will complete that part, around 35 questions. So students, take out the worksheet number 2. The worksheet number 2 which I sent you, take out that and I will read out the question number 1 in section B for you. So identify the colonies labeled as A and B. See the diagram given. Okay. Now you have to identify the colonies labeled A and B. So what is A? What is B? So A is nothing but the bacterial colony and B is the fungal culture. A bacterial colony, B fungal culture. Directly taken from your NCERT textbook, page number 180. Okay. Next, question number 2. Match the following column 1 with the column 2. Column 1 they have given certain pictures of the bacteria and virus, and in the column 2 they have labeled. So you have to match. Right option is the option 2, A, that is adenovirus. B is the tobacco mosaic virus, TMV. C is the bacillus rod-shaped bacterium and D is the cocci or spherical shaped bacterium. Next, question number 3. The fermented food of soybean is 1. Tempeh, 2. Tofu, C. 3. Sufu, 4. All of these. So the right answer is all of this. So here soybean acts with the water H2O and it forms soya sauce. Okay, soya sauce, and the food obtained by this is called as, that is soya sauce, food obtained, is called as what? Tempeh, tofu, sufu. Tempeh in Indonesia, tofu in Japanese, sufu in Chinese. Okay, next question number 4. Dosa and idli are fermented perforations of rice and black gram. The fermentation is done with dosa and idli by fermentation by leuconostoc and Streptococcus species of bacteria. So option 4, more than one option is correct. Question number 5. Read the following 4 statements A to D about certain mistakes in 2 of them, which identify the 2 incorrect statements. A. Duff, which is used for making foods such as dosa and idli, is fermented by fungi and algae. No, it is fermented by bacteria, so it is incorrect. Second, Toddy, a traditional drink of southern India, is made by fermenting sap from palms. It is correct. C. Large hole in Swiss cheese are due to production of large amount of methane by Propionibacterium shermani. No, due to the production of carbon dioxide. So third option is also incorrect. So A and C is incorrect. The right option is option 1. See the D. In our stomach, lactic acid bacteria play a very beneficial role in checking disease causing microbes. That is the correct statement. Next, question number 6. Fermented beverage with the maximum alcohol content is in brandy. In beer, it is 3 to 6% of alcohol content. Beer is to 3 to 6% alcohol. Whiskey 50% of alcohol content. Brandy 60 to 70% of alcohol content. But in gin, it is 40% of alcohol content. Gin. So, next question number 7. Brewer's yeast is used for A. Fermentation of malted cereals and fruit juices to produce alcohol. So, brewer's yeast is used for the fermentation of malted cereals and fruit juice to produce alcohol. Option 4. Question number 8. Identify the correct statement with respect to antibiotics. 1. Fleming, Chain and Florey were awarded the Nobel Prize in 1945. Correct. Antibiotics have greatly improved our capacity to treat deadly diseases. Also correct. Penicillin was used to treat American soldiers wounded in World War I is incorrect. World War II it should be. So 1 and 2 are correct. So option 1 is the right answer. Number 9. Dash enzyme is used to remove clots from the blood vessels of patients who have undergone dash leading to heart attack. Streptokinase enzyme is used to remove the clots from the blood vessels of patients who have undergone myocardial infarction leading to heart attack. Question number 10. Bottle juices are clarified by the use of proteases and pectinases and proteases, both 1 and 2. Pectinases can be synthesized. I gave some examples. Apart from that, you read some more examples. So, pectinases can be produced by the Aspergillus niger fungus as well as Bysoclamis fulva. Pectinases and proteases. So, pectinases is produced Aspergillus niger fungus. Then Bysoclamis, note down the spelling, Bysoclamis fulva. Proteases by Mortirella renispora. Write down, students. Mortirella renispora. Then Aspergillus and Bacillus species. So, take down the different scientific names. Pectinase, Aspergillus niger. Then Bysoclamis fulva. Bysoclimus fulva. So both these are the fungi. Both these are examples for fungi. Fungi plural, fungus singular. Then also take down Proteus, Mortirella, 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 Renispora, species name. Soil fungi, these are Aspergillus niger, Aspergillus flavus, soil fungi. Bacillus is a bacteria, Mortirella, Renispora, Aspergillus, these are the fungi. This is the bacterium. Okay, next we will move to the question number 11. Trichoderma polysporum is a source of cyclosporin A, option 1, which is an immunosuppressive agent. It's a fungus. Streptokinase is produced by the bacterium Streptococcus. Then Streptococcus is a bacteria which is helps for which is a clot buster. Then Monococcus purpureus produces statins, is a yeast, blood cholesterol lowering agent. Okay, Streptococcus, streptokinase is the enzymes which are produced. So, what is the role of the enzyme streptokinase? What is the role of the enzyme streptokinase? It is a clot buster. It's produced by the Streptococcus. Next, question number 12. Select the incorrect match. 1. Citric acid Aspergillus flavus is wrong. Citric acid Aspergillus niger. Other all correct. Clot buster Streptococcus, Cyclosporin A, Trichoderma, butyric acid, Clostridium butyricum. Next, question number 13. Which fungal extract was extensively used in treating wounded American soldiers in the World War II? That is penicillin, option 2. So, penicillin is obtained from Penicillium notatum fungus. What are aflatoxins? These are the poisonous carcinogens and the mutagens, carcinogens, cancer producing mutagens that are produced by certain molds. For example, aflatoxin flavus and aflatoxin parasiticus. Aflatoxin flavus, aflatoxin flavus. And aflatoxin parasiticus. Parasiticus. So, these produces the aflatoxin, which are nothing but carcinogens and the mutagens that are produced by the molds, fungi. So, which grow in mainly soil as well as decaying vegetation, hay and grains, hay, hullu, by hullu, hay and grains. Next, question number 14. The greater BOD of wastewater relates decreases oxygen content of water, option 2. Question number 15. Ganga Action Plan for controlling the pollution in Ganges started in 1985. So, Ganga Action Plan for controlling the pollution in Ganges was started in 1985. Number 16. All are correct with respect to BOD, biochemical oxygen demand, except it refers to the amount of oxygen that would be consumed if all the organic matter in 1 liter of waste were oxidized by the bacteria, correct. Second, the BOD test is a measure of the organic matter present in the water, correct. Third, the greater the BOD of wastewater, less is the polluting potential, no, more is the polluting potential. And fourth, wastewater is treated till BOD is reduced significantly. Correct. So the right option is the answer 3. Greater the BOD of wastewater, greater is its polluting potential, because higher BOD indicates a large amount of organic matter. Next, question number 17. The Ministry of Environment and Forest has initiated Ganga Action Plan and Yamuna Action Plan to save these major rivers of our country from pollution. Correct. It is proposed to build a large number of sewage treatment plants. Correct. Under these plants, only treated sewage may be discharged in the river. Also correct. So all are correct. Right option is option 4. Question number 18. Secondary treatment of sewage means removes grit and large pieces of organic matter. Wrong. Involves shredding. Shredding means cut into pieces strip of material such as you can take paper, cloth or food that has been torn and cut, okay, or scraped from something large. So that is called as shredding. So involves shredding, churning. Churning means to stir or shake. Filtration and sedimentation. That is not, these are primary treatment, right? Does not, primary treatment mainly includes filtration and sedimentation. Then third, does not require aeration. Okay. Involves microbial digestion of organic matter. Secondary treatment of sewage involves microbial digestion of the organic matter. That is the right option, answer 4. And all other are incorrect. So next, question number 19. The removal of floating and suspended solids from sewage through filtration and sedimentation is the primary treatment, option 1. Number 20. Biogas contains methane. So biogas contains 50 to 70% of methane. That is the right option, option 3. Carbon dioxide 30 to 40%. Hydrogen sulfide, etc. are 10%. How much? 10%. Next, question number 21. First step in biogas production is carried out with the help of. First step of biogas production is carried out with the help of decomposers, that is methanogens, which are anaerobic bacteria. Option 2. Next, question number 22. Now, what are obligate parasites? They require a living host in order to complete their life cycle. Without the living host, they cannot complete their life cycle. Such parasites are called as obligate parasites. Next, question number 22. Identify the incorrect statement with respect to biogas plant. Incorrect. It consists of a concrete tank 10 to 15 feet deep in which biowaste are collected and a slurry of dung is fed. Correct. Second, a floating cover is placed over the slurry which keeps on rising as the gas is continued in the tank. That is wrong. A floating cover is placed over the slurry which keeps on rising as the gas is produced to control in the tank due to microbial activity. Okay. So the incorrect option is the option 2. See the third one, it is correct. It has the outlet which is connected to pipe to supply biogas to nearby houses. Option 4 is also correct. The spent slurry is removed and may be used as a biofertilizer. Next, question number 23. Find the correct option with respect to bioherbicide. So bioherbicides means which kills the herbs without the chemicals biologically. So they contains phytotoxin, means toxin to the herbs, weeds, to control the pathogens and other types of microbes for the biological weed controls. Those are called as the bioherbicides. Now what are the examples? More than one option is correct. Option 4. Helianthus anus is nothing but the sunflower. It will not relate. But the 1 and 3 are related. Because one is what? Cactoblastis cactorum. Cactoblastis cactorum, it is a cactus moth. It controls prickly pear cactus, that is Opuntia, which is a weed, invasive weed. Okay, it spreads rapidly. Next, Phytophthora palmivora. It is a oomycete fungus. Controls the milkweed vines, unwanted plants, weeds, in citrus orchids. So it removes the milkweed vines in the citrus orchids. Citrus fruits ಇರೋ ತೋಟದಲ್ಲಿ. Next, question number 24. Which of the following is included in biopesticide? Bioherbicide, the biopesticide, which biologically kill the population of a pest. Answer is viruses, bacteria, fungi and protozoa, option 3. Now, biopesticide, virus, you have studied the example of baculovirus, which kills some lepidopterans and few beetles. Similarly, bacteria, Bacillus thuringiensis, study madidri. It is also for the removal of the population of Lepidoptera, then mosquitoes, beetles, then black flies. Similarly, fungi, Trichoderma, used for plant pathogens such as bacteria, fungi, nematodes, virus, soil-borne pathogen alla take care ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ, remove ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ, Trichoderma. Similarly, Protozoa is also used for killing the lepidopterans, beetles, which belongs to the genus of protozoa that is called as Nosema. Genus of protozoa. So, fungi, virus, protozoa and bacteria are included in biopesticide. Next, question number 25. Baculoviruses have pathogens that attack insects and other arthropods. Option 1 is correct. See the second option. Members of genus Nucleopolyhedrovirus that are never used on but that are used as biocontrol. Third, species specific, they are broad spectrum insecticide, they are narrow spectrum insecticides. Broad spectrum ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇದು ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಕಿಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಕಿಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನ್ಯಾರೋ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ರೆಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಗ್ರೂಪನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಅದು ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕಿಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 1. ಸಿ ದ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್, ಫ್ಯೂ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೆ. ನೋ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್, ಮ್ಯಾಮಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್, ಫಿಶಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈವನ್ ಆನ್ ನಾನ್ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್. So, pathogens that attack the insects and other arthropods. So, the baculoviruses are family of large rod-shaped circular DNA virus that can be divided into nucleopolyhedrovirus and granuloviruses. Nucleopolyhedrovirus. Nucleopolyhedrovirus and granuloviruses, that is GV. Nucleopolyhedrovirus, granuloviruses. Okay. Next, question number 26. Identify the incorrect statement. 1. Bacillus thuringiensis are available in sachet and dried spores which are mixed with the kerosene water agಬೇಕು. So that is incorrect and sprayed onto the vulnerable plants. Second one, Bacillus thuringiensis are used to control butterfly caterpillars but leave the other insects unharmed. That is correct. Then see the third option, the toxin of Bacillus thuringiensis is released in the blood in the gut of larvae and the larvae get killed. So that is also incorrect. So 1 and 3 are incorrect. So the right option is the option 3. See the fourth one, by the development of methods of genetic engineering, Bacillus thuringiensis toxin genes have been introduced into the plants. That is also correct. Question number 27. Which of the following are natural insecticides? Rotenone, pyrethrum, nicotine, azadirachtin. All A, B, C and D, right option is 4. All are natural insecticides. Number 28. Biofertilizers include what? Biofertilizers includes blue-green algae, rhizobium, other nitrogen fixing bacteria as well as mycorrhiza. Biofertilizers are natural biological fertilizers which can replace the harmful chemical fertilizers. Option 1. Next 29. Which of the following is not a symbiotic nitrogen fixing bacterium? Symbiotic nitrogen fixing bacterium yaudalla? 1. Clostridium. 2. Rhizobium leguminosarum. 3. Frankia. 4. Mycobacterium. Right answer is Clostridium. So Clostridium is a free living anaerobic nitrogen fixing bacteria. Free living anaerobic nitrogen fixing bacteria. But the others, rhizobium ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಫ್ರಾಂಕಿಯಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಮೈಕೋಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೀರಿಯಂ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಇವುಗಳೆಲ್ಲವೂ associated symbiotically with the plants. Okay. So, two kinds of correct, you have to write the notes. Two kinds of nitrogen fixing bacteria are recognized. The first kind is the free living symbiotic bacteria. Okay, that is includes the cyanobacteria. Free living and non-symbiotic bacteria. Free living ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನ್ ಸಿಂಬಯೋಟಿಕ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಯಾವುದು? cyanobacteria, blue green algae. Then Anabina, nostoc, and genus such as Azotobacter, Weijerichia, Clostridium. All is studied in first PUC, second PUC also. Two kinds of nitrogen fixing bacteria. One, free living. Another one is showing symbiotic association. Free living bacteria ge example ಯಾವುದು? Free living nitrogen fixing bacteria. ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Free living nitrogen fixing bacteria. Okay, which is non-symbiotic. This non-symbiotic. Non-symbiotic ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ? BGA ಅಂದರೆ blue green algae or your cyanobacteria, Anabina, then nostoc, ನಂತರ Azotobacter, ನಂತರ Weijerichia, then Clostridium, these are the examples for free living nitrogen fixing bacteria which are non-symbiotic. Then the second kind comprises the mutualistic symbiotic bacteria. Examples: Rhizobium, second category. The first category. Second category, symbiotic association, symbiotic bacteria. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು examples ಬರೀರಿ. Rhizobium associated with the root nodules of the leguminous plants, that is various members of pea family. Rhizobium. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದು ಬರೀತೀರಿ? Frankia associated with the certain dicotyledonous plants. I told actinomyzal plants. So Frankia. Then certain Azospirillum species associated with the cereal grasses. Azospirillum Azospirillum, Azospirillum, Azospirillum species, Azospirillum species associated with the certain cereal grasses, associated with the cereal grasses. So free living matondu symbiotic bacteria, mark it as very important. Next we will move to question number 30. Which of the following is not the belief of an organic farm? Not. The more variety a landscape has, the more sustainable it is. It is correct. ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ಇದೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. The insects that are sometimes called pests are not eradicated but instead are kept at manageable levels by a complex system of checks and balances within a living and vibrant ecosystem. That is correct. Option 3. For controlling the plant diseases and pests, chemicals like insecticides and pesticides should be used extensively. Wrong. The organic farmers do not use insecticides and pesticides chemicals. So option 3 is the incorrect one. See the fourth one. Eradication of the pests is undesirable because they act as food or hosts for beneficial predatory and parasitic insects. That is also correct. Question number 31. The symbiotic association of fungi with plants is known as dash. Option 1. Mycorrhiza, which is formed by many members of the fungal genus Glomus. What is Treboxia? Treboxia is a unicellular green algae. Unicellular green algae which may be living symbiotically with the plants or may be free living singly or in colonies. Question number 32. Consider the following 4 statements A to D related to the organic farming and select the correct option stating which ones are true, T capital T, and which ones are false, capital F. The statements: A, produces food crops rich in lipids, vitamins and iron. Adu correct alla. Organic farming produces crops rich in proteins agbeku. So that is false. Uses biofertilizers which increases the soil fertility. That is true. There is more use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Adu wrong. False. Raising unpolluted crops through the use of bacteria, fungi and cyanobacteria. That is true. So organic farming chemicals, fertilizers and pesticides use madudilla. So right option is option 2. False, true, false, true. Option 2. Number 33. Concept of sustainable agriculture lies in 1. Minimizing the biopesticides. A. Greater dependence on new crops. 3. Least use of biofertilizers. 4. Using spores of Bacillus thuringiensis for pest control. So the right answer is the option 4, students. That is concept of sustainable agriculture lies in using the spores of Bacillus thuringiensis for pest control. Next, number 34. Which of the following statements for sewage is correct? 1. Municipal wastewater whose major component is human excreta. That is the correct option. Other option C. Contains large amount of organic matter and non-pathogenic microbes. Wrong. Pathogenic microbes agbeku. 3. Can be discharged directly into the natural water bodies like rivers and streams. No, will not discharge directly. After treatment only they are discharged. 4th one, it is generated in less quantities in cities and villages as compared to towns. No, it is just generated more quantities even in cities and villages like in towns. Next, the last question under this particular chapter, microbes in human welfare, that is question number 35. Mark the mismatched pair. Dragonfly can be used as biological control. Anaerobic sludge digester used in the biogas plant. Oscillatoria increase alkalinity of soil. That is wrong. Oscillatoria decreases the alkalinity of soil. Oscillatoria, this is a bacteria, isn't it? Oscillatoria decreases the alkalinity of soil and what is there. But it will ಆಸಿಲೇಟರಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಪಿ ಎಚ್ನ ರೇಂಜ್ ಸಾಧಾರಣ 6 to 7 ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಐಡಿಯಲ್ ಪಿ ಎಚ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್. ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ? ದ ಪಿ ಎಚ್ ರೇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ 6 to 7, ಸ್ಲೈಟ್ಲಿ ಆಸಿಡಿಕ್ ಟು ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಆಸಿಲೇಟರಿಯಾ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಸ್ ದ ಆಲ್ಕಲಿನಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ and that is called as reclamation of soil. What do you call? Reclamation of soil. Decreasing the alkalinity of the soil, that is called as the reclamation of soil. Reclamation of soil. Decreases the alkalinity by oscillatoria. Now VAM is used as a biofertilizer. Vascular, arbuscular, mycorrhizae. Already studied. Vascular, arbuscular, mycorrhizae. Arbuscules means branched finger-like hyphae. Mycos means fungus. Rhiza means root. So branched finger-like hyphae producing fungus which is found in the root atmosphere in case of higher vascular plants. So that is arbuscular mycorrhizal fungi. In short, it is called as VAM. That is vascular arbuscular mycorrhizae. So example is glomus. So which helps for the absorption of phosphorus, and phosphorus is very essential for the normal growth and development of the plants. So VAM is a biofertilizer. Vascular arbuscular mycorrhiza. Example, vascular means which lives on the vascular plant. Arbuscular means having finger like branched hyphae, the fungus is having. Mycorrhiza means a fungus, so which is living in the root atmosphere of the higher vascular plants. Biofertilizers and gives phosphorus, and in return it gets what? Shelter and food. The fungi get shelter and food. So mark the mismatched pair, that is option 2. Oscillatoria not increases, decreases the alkalinity of soil. So with these students we have completed the worksheet number 2 also, and note down all the important points which I have written on the board, and also take down very importantly my lecture notes to understand the concept well. And we'll come back with the next topic, that is human health and disease, in our next session. Till then, bye, and thank you for watching the video.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.